안녕하세요 여러분, 제리입니다. Hi everybody, this is Jerry, the host of We Can Speak Korean channel. Welcome back. Oh hey, did you practice a lot the Korean alphabet? No? Oh well, you know, the Korean alphabet is the basic stuff. Okay, so you have to, right? Keep going. Keep going. I'm gonna root for you, alright? Okay, let's begin today's episode 2. The thing that what I want to talk about today is very confusing stuff to you guys when it comes to learning Korean, and it's not an easy job for me to deal with as well. In spite of it, I must go for it because it's very essential process. All right. Most foreigner learning Korean, they say like today's main theme is very confusing. Okay, to you guys. No matter how many times you studied through Korean grammar book or watch it video skit, right, on YouTube related to today's main theme. But at first, it seems that you understood, right? But in the end, you are in the dark again, right? So I think, you know, language can be formulated like mathematics, right? It's a language. Alright. Anyway, today's main theme is 은는이가. 은는이가. Okay? So called the topic marker particle, subject marker particle, something. But I don't care. Alright, whatever. Simply, 은는이가, that kind of tag, okay? Attach it to noun in a sentence, okay? Like this, noun or pronoun such as I, you, he, she, okay? And plus 은는이가, okay? So this unit will be an indicator, okay? Indicator that tells us what the speaker will do or did, or something will be described, okay? You know, like in other languages. Alright, that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Right? Okay, I'm going to group 은이 as a one group and 는가 as a second group for your understanding. Alright, first, 은이 particle, they comes after a word that finish consonant. 는가, they comes after word that finishes vowel. Alright? Like in this example, 하늘, you know, the real ending consonant. 나비, a butterfly, 나비, 이, ending vowel sound. Right? In this case, you can add 는가. Okay? It's not complicated, is it? Alright. Before that, I said the word 하늘, but actually, 하늘천, 하늘티안. This word 하늘티안 is the first word in 천자문. 천자문 means 1,000 Chinese character we've studied, right, in Korea for a long time, right? So only government officials, right, they can write this word tian. Okay? But how about illiterate people can read Chinese character? Yeah. So the creator of Hangul, King Sejong, he used this part 하늘. Okay, to let his people, alright, write this word, 하늘. Okay? Right, anyway, 은이, 하늘은 하늘이, 하늘은 하늘이. But in this case, there is some phenomenon, I call it consonant jumper phenomenon. Like the consonant real jump up to here. Okay, so it sounded like 하늘은 phonetically 하늘은 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 하늘이 하늘이. Okay, so in speaking it's okay, no problem. But in writing, we must write 하늘은 하늘이 like this, right? Consonant and particle 은, 하늘, consonant, particle 이 together. Okay? I think that it's King Sejong's smart means to reduce the conflict between China and government officials, right? You know what I'm saying? King Sejong, he wouldn't allow his people, right? Allow his people to write this syllable into like 하늘은. No way. Okay? You have to write 하늘은. Okay? Alright, so simple. Remember, the particle 은이, there is consonant jump up phenomenon. Alright? Okay, so 은이, 는가, I give example. 하늘이 파래요. 하늘은 파래요. The sky is blue. Sky is blue. Same meaning. Okay? But there is very tiny difference. Alright? 는가 as well. 나비는 날아요. 나비가 날아요. 나비는 날아요. 나비가 날아요. A butterfly flies. Alright? But, you know, and these two sentences, like 하늘은 파래요. 나비는 날아요. Is very informal. Right? It is rare for Koreans to use. We don't say it like that. Okay? So, forget it. Okay? Unlike the particle 이가, the particle 은는 particle, they are used to express your accumulated experience output, right? In your whole lifetime, from a birth to the present. Okay? Here, the experience stands for all of the academic knowledge you studied at school, okay? Or things that you saw, heard, and felt, and got to know. Okay? And plus, when you want to express about you and your friends or acquaintances, right? You've already known. Okay? So simple. Alright, so let me tell you. 하늘은 파래요. 하늘은 파래요. In this case, how can we tell the sky is blue? Yeah, we studied at school, right? Something like in physics class. A sunlight is scattered by the air molecule, right? That's why we can see the sky is blue. Okay? Right. How about 나비는 날아요? 나비는 날아요. Yeah, well, when you're young, when you're a kid, like 2 or 3 years old, right? So you saw a butterfly. Okay? So you wondered. So you asked your mom, right? Hey mom, what's that? Okay? So your mom said, oh honey, it's a butterfly, right? But she has wings, so it can fly, right? So ever since you know that, oh, a butterfly flies. Yeah, that's it. Okay? So remember, 은는 used 은는 used in that situation. Okay? That's it. Alright, so for your clear understandings, I am going to give you more examples, right? Coming next episode. Alright? In addition, there is one more functions of 은는이가 particles. Okay? But I wouldn't tell you now because it's inappropriate, right? Now, I tell you that next episode. Okay? All right. So remember, let's sum up. 이가, 은는이가. Okay? Noun plus 은는이가. They are just subject. Okay? In a sentence. All right? But the particle 은는 used when you express your whole lifetime experience. Okay? Alright, it's time to go. Thanks for watching episode 2 of season 1. Alright? So, I see you next episode 3. Okay? Alright, bye.